is it Dead Red Redemption? There you go. See? I'm a man of all knowledge. Hi, I'm Steve from 1233D. Today we are at our second day at Comic-Con Wales at the Llangollen Pavilion. I think that's how you pronounce it. It's been quite a good exhibition so far. Very, very different to what we normally attend. There's a lot of exhibitions, exhibitors selling comics and all kinds of weird and wonderful things. So stay tuned, follow me for a quick guide. Here's our booth. We've got quite a large selection of machines on show and a lot of own brand filament. Dan's already in sales mode, as you can see. Little insight into the booth next to us. Coasters, cups, key rings, jewellery I think. Quite a nice selection. More crafting items, so needlework, cross stitch. I know the terminology, partially. So here's a comic book publisher. It looks like horror type comics. We've got more books, crafty cards, but it's actually magnets. So there's a vast array of different things. Another stall selling prints. So we've got Wednesday, Batman, Joker, Fallout, Mad Max. The F1 prints are pretty cool. Lewis Hamilton in the Ferrari suit. I was quite impressed. I had a quick look here earlier on. Simon Powell illustrations. For anybody who's into art and hand-drawn stuff, check out this guy on all of his social platforms. I mean, some of the artwork that this guy has created is next level. He legitimately works with the actual actors from films. Lots more collectible figures. There's literally anything and everything on show. So we'll continue round. T-shirts, more merch, more Funko Pops, and a cake lady.
The brownie lady.
The brownie lady.
I do other things, but everybody knows me as the brownie lady.
We have some footage from yesterday with us with the parrots. So these guys have been going around for the full 2 days. They run some kind of charity and do a lot of visits to care homes and stuff, and even film work with these birds. That's also quite impressive. And then again, more figurines and collectibles. There's some of these are really nice. I mean, Dan was over here before saying he loves the Batman mech. The guys opposite us that have, again, a lot of collectible figurines and thousands of comics, literally thousands of comics. So I didn't get a chance yesterday to actually look in here. 3D Mania, all 3D printed items on sale. Then we have an unveiling of thousands of Funko Pops. Probably every character here that you could possibly imagine. Fabled rolls. Warhammer gaming dice. So here, this is the other part of the venue. Down here you'll see a big row of tables. I think this is where all the signings happen. So we'll try and get some footage of the people who are actually signing photographs and autographs or whatever else today at some point or other. But yeah, they're all along here. And then obviously we've got the rest of the hall filled with a lot more stands, more Funko Pops. They are everywhere. The Sci-Fi Quartermasters. So anything alien technology weapon-wise is available here. More artwork, pin badges, number plates, famous number plates, Pokemon merch, Flexi Dragons. Everybody loves a Flexi Dragon. Looks like a blacksmith's been very busy forging steel. Masks, probably 3D printed. More props, custom cards while you wait, so you can have fake ID made. More props, games armory, so computer game themed props and replicas. There is pretty much everything. I mean, it goes right back there. So again, another big area. So handbags, little purses, more key rings, badges, magnets, Robot Wars. They have appeared in the actual series, so they are legitimate killer robots. So for those of you who aren't familiar, Johnny 5 is really alive. We were having a chat with the guy this morning. He started building this project in 2014, so it's become a labour of love. And as you can see, he is full size, fully functioning, quite a marvellous feat. A brass band. rings, jewellery, more trinkets, all the nice crafty stuff, some crocheted toys, more Funko Pops. Here we have behind us a wrestling ring, so the ropes have been removed. I don't know if there's going to be any fun-filled shenanigans taking place on there today, but if there is, Chris will try his best to get some slamming footage. So yeah, that's a brief look around the venue. So it was giving you an insight into what we've seen. Obviously we've tried to film before the doors open and it's quite packed because that makes filming a little bit awkward. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please be sure to check out the link in the description for any of the products that we have actually exhibited on our stand. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to like, subscribe and share. We'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye for now.
As always, we aim to have the most competitive 3D printer prices on the market. If you see any of our printers being sold by a mainstream retailer for less, please drop us an email using the link in the description and we'll do our very best to beat their price. Also, if you're watching from outside the UK, check the description for links to our European 123 3D sister stores.